Hi, I'm Risa with Plitix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and load an import profile. An import profile enables you to create a recipe per se for importing a file. So when you're importing a file with the same layout that you've done before, you don't have to go through the entire attribute matching process again. Instead, you can simply load an import profile and all the incoming data will be matched automatically. So you start after you have finished matching incoming data. You click on the disk icon at the top left-hand part of the screen. So here you have the options to load settings from an import profile or to save settings for an import profile. And here we're going to save and we're going to create a new profile. And here we're going to name it import profile and select save. So there we have created an import profile. If I wanted to load an import profile, I would simply go here, load the settings, and then I would choose the import profile that I want to use. Select save. So there we have created and loaded an import profile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to your customer success manager.